few days ago, I was coming back home from work when suddenly... Wait! Is that what I think it is? A random stack of hardwood just lying next to the dumpster? I must take it home. Yeah, that didn't happen. But now that I have your attention, let me tell you what did actually happen. A few weeks ago, I decided to rebuild my workshop. And while I was cleaning it out to install new floors, I realized this thing was super heavy. That could only mean one thing. You're probably wondering how I didn't know that. I don't know. I got this piece from my friend and it was painted black and I wasn't the one bringing it in. I don't know, guys. Don't ask me that. It's a mystery to me too. Anyway, I took it apart and kept it. Sometime later, my daughter asked me if I can make a display shelf for her room. So I applied the paint stripper and went to work. The panel I was able to save wasn't wide enough for my needs, so I glued another piece of wood to it using some dowels for better alignment and left it to dry overnight. The next day I went through my cut list, labeling all the pieces as I went on, and also added some strip of wood to the top panel for better finishing. While that was drying, I cut the slots for the shelves and started the assembly. The next day brought in the most boring part of the build. It took me a good while to sand everything to 320 grit, and that was pretty much all I had in me to give that day. With the sanding out of the way came the most satisfying part, the finishing. That was when the wood really came to life, and I could finally see what the finished shelf was going to look like. A few coats later, I was ready to attach the drawer fronts and finish the inside with self-adhesive velvet. Then it was just a matter of attaching the knobs and the legs. The build is finally done and I couldn't be happier with it, but after all the work that went into it, I'm not ready to let go of it yet. I think it needs a product video first.